Here are 5 ways to stream to TikTok Live with OBS in 2025. Stream keys are free to obtain and are used in the first 2 methods. Simply get them from free-to-join networks. My verified list of these networks is on screen and in the description. And our first method is the most simple. We use our stream key and a basic canvas in OBS. So let's rapidly do that by clicking Profile and clicking New. We'll name the profile TikTok Live, we'll show the auto config wizard, and we'll optimize it for streaming. Now you can change it to vertical later, but you can stream in landscape if you want. Either way, we're going to choose 1920 by 1080 for now with 60 FPS. We're going to set the service to custom, and we'll input our stream key later, so you can just put any text into the box. Prefer hardware encoding, but uncheck the second one, and set the bitrate between 6 and 9000. Press next, and OBS has given you good basic settings, so apply it. Now you can stream on TikTok Live in landscape if you want to do that. You don't have to change the canvas size, but if you want to change it to vertical, click on settings, click onto video, and manually type in the box 1080 x 1920, and then click the second list and match it by clicking on 1080 by 1920 again. Press OK, and you've now got a vertical canvas. Finally, go back into the settings underneath stream and just input your stream key, which changes every time you go live. Again, you just obtain the stream key from the producer, and you can only see this page after getting access via a free-to-join network. Once again, link to get a stream key in the description. So once again, after submitting your stream key, you just hit start streaming and you're good to go. Of course, I'll put my longer OBS setup guide in the description. Method 2 is my favorite setup. This also uses a stream key, but it uses an OBS plugin, actually 2. We're using Aitum Multi and Aitum Vertical. This gives us a landscape canvas. We can use this to either record content, and we can also stream to landscape platforms such as Twitch, YouTube, or Kick. And it gives us a vertical canvas, as you can see on the right, and we can use this to stream to places like TikTok Live, YouTube, and Instagram. And so what you would do is you would head to Aitum. I've put it in the description. You would close OBS, then you would download Multi, but also you would download Vertical as well. So you would just run the installers on both pieces of software, then reopen OBS, then inside OBS, click on Docs, and it's Aitum Multistream, and the vertical options including scenes, sources, and vertical. And if you use transitions, you can turn that on as well. And then instead of controlling your stream key from the main OBS settings, you would just control it from the Aitum multi-screen settings. As you can see, I've inputted my stream key here. Once again, you'd have to obtain a new stream key from the producer every time. And once again, my verified list of networks to get a stream key is in the description. My longer guide to setting up Aitum Multi and Vertical is also in the description. If you're looking for advice to grow your live streaming community, then check out my Patreon alternative called the Live Success Academy. There's a ton of helpful video and text content, which not only supports my work, but if you implement these best practices, it will help you get more viewers, subs, and gifts. So check that out, it's in the description. Alright, so our next method to stream with OBS to TikTok Live is using Restream. I'll link Restream in the description with my affiliate link, and basically we can connect it to OBS, but first, just on the Restream website, I'm going to click on Channels. I'm going to click Add Channel, and I'm going to choose TikTok Live. As you can see, it's popping up a window to authorize everything. So I'm going to accept all of these options. And now you can see my channel's been added, but it says you can't go live on TikTok yet. Apply here. So let's click the link. So it'll probably for you either say apply. For me, it says apply again. So let's do that. And just like that, access approved. So now I need a Restream profile on OBS. To do that, click on Profile, click on New. I've named mine Restream TikTok Live. We're going to show the auto config wizard. Optimize it for streaming with recording as secondary. Once again, for now, 1920 by 1080 and 60 FPS. We can change it to vertical in a second and press next. The service is now Restream, and we're going to connect our account. And if you get asked to allow any access, then go ahead and do that. And as you can see, my account is now connected. Once again, I'm going to uncheck estimate bitrate and just set the bitrate to 6000. You can maybe go a little higher to 9000 if you want. Prefer hardware encoding and press next and apply. And you'll get a lot of pop-ups. So you can drag them all into place, or you can close them if you don't want it. So I've dragged some of these into place. The most important pop-ups here is this Restream channels, where I can now just turn on the TikTok Live option. Then when I'm ready to stream, I just press start streaming and I'm now live on TikTok Live with the Restream OBS plugin. Once again, I'll put my Restream affiliate link in the description. Our fourth method is another plugin, that is the SE.Live multi-streaming plugin. This comes from Stream Elements. I am getting ready to release my longer SE.Live guide, which will be put in the description when it's out. But as it states here, no stream keys needed. And you can see in the screenshot here, they've toggled on TikTok Live. This works similar to the previous Restream methods where you just press a few buttons to apply for access. The way this would work, close OBS, download SE.Live, run the installer, then reopen OBS, and then just check the docs in the top left corner and enable all the relevant SE.Live docs. Finally, it is possible to send your entire OBS setup into TikTok Live Studio. So for example, if you've already set up your live stream for a different platform and you don't want to set it up again for TikTok Live, you can simply send everything to TikTok Live Studio. No need for a stream key and no need for other plugins. I'll put my full guide which shows how to use the OBS virtual camera and a virtual audio cable to send everything to Live Studio, and I'll put that on the screen now.